Hi everyone, today I'm doing a review on this 2-in-1 cordless hedge trimmer. It was gifted to me in exchange for my review. It did come with a charger, and I'll show you how to use that later. It also came with instructions. Now these instructions and care manual will come in handy when taking care of your hedge trimmer. Now this kit did come with 2 of the lithium batteries. You can tell how charged they are by pressing that button on the battery itself. These batteries really do have a longer life and offer great strong cutting ability. The kit does come with 2 separate blades. Now right here, this one is the lawn blade, and this is for cutting and shaping hedges and shrubs. Now this other blade really is for grass and hard to reach areas like corners or even on stone pathways. When changing the 2 blades, it's very easy. You just snap it in and then it's ready to go. And you can really tell when the battery is placed and is in working position. It clicks. Another great feature about this hedge trimmer is that it has an adjustable head, and it will have angles at 15, 30, and 45 degrees. How great is that? When starting this, it's pretty cool because you have to press that one button and then you press the other one and it starts right up. It's very easy to handle, and I love the way that the shape is of the handle. It made it so simple for me to hold it for a long period of time and do all of the work that I needed to outdoors. Really so simple to use. I feel like I'm going to be able to use this and do all of my lawn care. When changing the blades, it's super simple. You just press the 2 green buttons down and there you go. You pop the other one on and it will click in place when it is ready to be used. Now you can see that I'm going to be using this for a little bit bigger circumference of what I'm trying to cut. And it went through like butter. I did want to show the hedge trimmers and the grass trimmers, how it's taking off this palm leaf and really just getting the one side of the fronds. All in all, this is a great hedge trimmer and I do suggest it. See you guys next time.